This simple guide will show you how to add a public dataset in BigQuery. If you're new to BigQuery or just need a refresher, you've come to the right place. BigQuery is Google's fully managed, serverless data warehouse that enables super fast SQL queries using the processing power of Google's infrastructure. One of its fantastic features is the ability to access and analyze large public datasets, which can be incredibly valuable for research, business insights, or just satisfying your curiosity. To get started, you'll need to navigate to BigQuery. If you're not already there, open up your browser and head over to the Google Cloud Console. Once you're logged in, find the BigQuery option in the side menu. BigQuery is a part of the Google Cloud Platform, so you'll be able to find it alongside other Google Cloud services. When you click on it, you'll be directed to the BigQuery interface. Now that you're in BigQuery, let's focus on the public datasets. On the left-hand side, you should see an option labeled Overview. This section gives you a snapshot of your projects, datasets, and any other resources you have access to. It's a great place to start if you're looking to explore the available datasets. Within the Overview section, you'll spot an option for Public Datasets. Click on that, and you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of datasets that are publicly available. These datasets cover a wide range of topics, from weather data to financial data and even public health information. It's like having a treasure trove of information at your fingertips. Take your time to browse through the available datasets. You can use the search bar to find something specific or simply scroll through to see what catches your eye. Once you've found a dataset that interests you, click on it for more details. This will give you an overview of the dataset contents, including the tables and schemas it contains. It's important to review this information to ensure the dataset meets your needs. When you're ready to add the dataset to your project, look for the Add to Project button. Clicking this button essentially creates a reference to the dataset within your BigQuery project. This doesn't mean you're downloading the data to your local machine. Instead, it allows you to run queries against the dataset directly in BigQuery, leveraging Google's robust infrastructure for fast and efficient data analysis. Congratulations, you've successfully added a public dataset to BigQuery. From here, you can start writing SQL queries to analyze the data, join it with your own datasets, or even use it to build visualizations in tools like Google Data Studio. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips to enhance your experience. First, make sure you have a clear understanding of the data schema, as this will guide you in writing effective queries. Second, remember to manage your resources efficiently. While accessing public datasets is free, running queries can incur costs depending on the amount of data processed. Finally, don't hesitate to explore the wealth of resources and documentation available through Google Cloud to deepen your understanding of BigQuery and its capabilities. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add public datasets to your BigQuery project. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now ready to dive into the world of data analysis with BigQuery. Thanks for watching and happy querying.